Ladies and gentlemen, this is Captain Rich speaking. On behalf of MrRich Ph Airlines, I would like to welcome you on board. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Rich and welcome to my channel. Do you have a Pandora silver bracelet and charms? Any silver jewelries and silverwares? Are they lying around unused because it's heavily tarnished? Did you give up on using those polishing creams that smells bad, are messy, and so time-consuming? Well, keep on watching as I show you the fastest way to clean your silver with common household materials. There are a few items we need to clean our silver. First is an aluminum foil. Second, a basin. If your basin is made of aluminum, then disregard the foil. Third is baking soda. Fourth, hot water. And last but not the least is a polishing cloth or paper towel. Let's start cleaning. Line the basin with the aluminum foil. Place your silver pieces thereafter. For your Pandora and other jewelries, please be sure to remove the other charms that are not completely silver. Sprinkle a good amount of baking soda to cover the jewelries or silverware. Pour hot water till the silver pieces are completely submerged. Let the chemical reaction take place for a good 2 to 5 minutes, depending on the size and quantity of your silver pieces. In case you are wondering why I'm cleaning the silverware, well, I will use it on a room makeover that I'll be posting next Friday, September 18, at around 5 p.m. If you like those kind of videos, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated once the video is up.
Five minutes later.
And finally, wipe it dry and polish it with a cloth. There you have it, our shining, shimmering, splendid silver. Thank you guys for watching. It's been an absolute pleasure to show you this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I post new videos every week, so it would be nice if you follow me in this journey. Once again, it's your boy Rich, and I'll see you on the next video.